Good morning, my little children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, I welcome you all in today's session. So, can you tell me what we will learn today? Yes, today we will do art and craft. Today we will do drawing. Very good, children. So, I hope you all are having your art files, your art book. Again, I am showing you the cover page of your book. Students, here is a cover page of your art book. You all can see. I hope you all have purchased it. Have you all purchased or not? And you have started doing coloring also. Have you started doing coloring in it? We have already done 2 pages. Do you know now? I hope you have done both the pages. Now students, look here. Today we will do page number 4. Okay, today we will do page number 4. So can you tell me what you can see in the image? What is this? This is a boat, and boat floats in a water, in sea, river, lake. Do you know this? Have you ever seen a boat? Do you like boating? Do you like? Very good. Now students, I'll show you the video of how to do coloring in the boat. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay, then take out your books. First take it out and do with me. Okay? You have to do the coloring with me. Okay? Okay, my little children. Now look here. Here is a drawing book of junior KG class. Okay? Now I'm opening it. As you know, we have already done this page and this page. Page number 2 and 3. Okay? And today we will do page number 4. Today we will do page number 4. So students, tell me, what is this? Which shape is this? Yes, tell. This is a boat. This is a boat. Now tell me, have you ever sat on a boat? Speak. See. And do you know, boat floats in a water, in river, sea, lake. Boat floats everywhere, wherever there is water. See. Okay? So students, don't forget, we will require a pencil. First, we require a pencil to mention a date. Now tell me, what is the date today? Speak up, what is the date today? Today is? Yes? 20 August. Means which month? 8th month. Yes. 2020. Okay, that's how you will mention a date. In this way you will mention a date. Now see what we have to do first. First we have to trace the dots. Okay, can you see these dots? First we have to trace them. We have to trace this dots. Okay, are you all ready, children? Are you all ready for this? Okay, now we'll start. So now with the help of pencil, first we will trace the dots. Okay, what we will do first? First we will trace the dots. So first I'll start from here. Like this, I'm tracing the dot. To trace a dot, we will put pencil on dots. Okay, in this way. See. Okay. See students. Like this we will trace the dots in the whole board. Okay, students, do you remember how we made paper folding board? Do you remember? Okay, now see, I have traced the dots. In the same way you will also trace the dots. Okay, now see, first see, here is a small board. Now tell me which color is this, students? This is blue color and this is orange color. See, my pencil is orange in color. See, and okay, now tell me what all you can see in this image. What is this? This is a bird. Very good. What is this? This is water or sea. Okay, this is boat. And see, here is a flag, small flag on the boat. Can you see it? Here also. And what is this? This is a sun. This is a sun. And what is this yellow area? This is sun rays. Okay, this is sun rays. Now students, we will start doing coloring. Are you all ready? We will do same color as shown in this picture. See, first they have done blue color and at the bottom they have done orange color. So we will also use the same colors for this. Okay, here I am having orange color and a blue color. Okay, now tell me, where is the blue color and orange color? Can you see? Can you see where is blue color and orange color? Okay, here is orange color and here is blue color. Okay, am I right? No, ma'am is wrong. This is a blue color and this is a orange color. Here is an orange color, here is a blue color. Okay, now I'll start doing coloring. First I have taken out the blue color. Students, as you can see, they have done outline here but not at the bottom. So first we will do outlining at the bottom. Okay, with the light and slow hands we will do outlining. Okay, see students, this way. See students, now I am doing coloring here. Okay, after doing outlining I'll do coloring here. Students, again and again I am telling you, your color should not go out. Okay, your color should not go out. It should be inside the image only. See students, in this way we will do coloring. Now I'll use orange color. Now I'll use orange color. Okay, to color the bottom area. Here they have not done any outlining, so first we will do outline here. Okay, what we will do first? First we will do outlining. Very good children. In this way first we will do outlining. See. And now we'll start doing coloring. Like this. See students, is this clear? Now for this water area we'll use blue color. With light hands we'll color in the sea. Okay, see students, now the coloring is done. Please remember, the color should not go. It means you don't have to color in this area or anywhere else. Okay, you have to color in this area only. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed it. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed. You enjoyed the video. Did you like it? Very good. So after doing coloring, this how your board will look like. Okay, I hope you all will do same and will not spoil the paper. Okay, see here I am showing you, don't spoil the paper. This page should not be spoiled. Don't tear it out. Don't use pen, pencil, scale on any part of this page. Okay, that's all for today's session. I hope you will do it in the same way as I did. Okay students, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Sai Ram. Bye bye children.